Write a program that calculates the sum of all the even numbers from 1 to 100 included. Similar to Gauss sum, all the numbers from 1 to 100, there should be only one print statement with the total. For range 1 to 101, let's make a step. Actually, is from 0 to 101. We have to add such. I just said that add. Dude, so for loops are so easy to understand, but when I think about them, how to place them in a formula, it's weird. And as I said, all I need is just to practice some more. Right, so write a program that calculates the sum. First of all, let's display and in range of 0 to 101 print and we forgot the semicolon. What if we say 2? That's it. And we just have to add. Let's make d equals 0, d plus equals n. $2,550. That's it. Right? Yeah. So for each number, each second number from 2 to 100, just add them together one by one. Yeah, that's it. Beautiful.